Ooh.
Hey, so we have a Kun here, and today is first chiropractic adjustment, right?
Yes, it's
yeah. First time. Any reservations?
When I first know about chiropractic, it's definitely scary with the bone cracking and all those, but I think I'm ready to give it a try today.
Yeah. First time for everything, right? Yeah. So for Kun, he has some concern in regarding of hip joints. You are also a very active person, right? Yeah. So what we're trying to do is, adjusting his joints, adjusting his spine, so he can move better. Minimize sports injuries, and also just have a better quality of training, right? Yeah. You ready?
Yep, ready. Let's go.
Okay. Can relax. Take off my shoes? It's okay. You can. Okay, so we're gonna check your back. Okay. All right. So quite tight on the left hand side, right? Yeah. Okay. So double check. Okay, go ahead. Take a deep breath in for me. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, now you're gonna lay on your side and face to your left. Okay, here, I'm gonna raise this one up. Better. Okay, give yourself a hug. Good. We'll position you. Okay, just relax your back. Okay. Okay, go ahead, relax your back. Okay, very good. Neck. Did you have a good sleep last night?
I think good, but not enough.
Not enough. Not enough. Okay, relax your neck. Okay.
Ooh.
They're pretty loud.
Great. Thank you, Dr.
Yeah, so a little bit loud, but yeah. So hopefully, the chiropractic doesn't hurt.
No, it doesn't hurt at all.
It
felt really great. I mean, in fact, we always have the conception that it felt very painful, but I didn't even feel
Good. Yeah, so the first chiropractic adjustment, right? Yeah.
It's my first time. So do please visit Dr. Jenny.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And I didn't hurt you during the hormone. All right.